Hello, this is Mitch King with the Sunday evening, December 28th Daily Stock Report with TradeStocksAmerica. You're looking at CPE, which was the speculative short position. It slowed down its decline in the last few days, but it was on very light volume. Stock hit the target price of $2, but I'm holding this with the idea that it still could continue to drop. Have tight stop losses on it in case that it resurges back upwards so you don't lose your profit that you've made so far. I'd like to take a look at several other stocks that are some intermediate and swing trades. Let's take a look at a few intermediate trade ideas. This is Healthways. It's a health services. We're on a nice looking upswing on these. Just started here. OMX is Office Max. Clearly seeing these moving averages moving up fairly steadily. VRX is a pharmaceutical. One of the few charts in the upper right hand corner of your chart, which means it's been going up. We're a little bit late on that, but this is not a high volatility stock recently, except for October and November like everything else. Let's take a look at Kellogg. Hasn't really started to turn upward yet. I think this is worth some money here. Level 3 is just crossing the moving average lines we're getting across right now. This looks like a very good intermediate trade. Still watching USO, which is the oil. In the week that I took off last week, oil dropped, just continues to drop under $35, I believe, for a moment one day last week. Let's take a look at oil. So the oil hit 35.35 per barrel. Still think this is going to be one of the most profitable intermediate trades this coming year. Let's take a look at some swing trades. Looking for IBM to start having a 1 week move here this next week. Major oil companies, ExxonMobil, ConocoPhillips, Chevron, Texaco, and British Petroleum all look poised to have a move this next week. I'd recommend that you not do any intraday trades this week. We're probably going to have very low volatility. I think the pattern may not be clear to have. We need to see some sort of a pattern develop. We could have some churning, which is typical in the last few days of a year as mutual fund managers and money managers, pension funds, hedge fund traders tend to unload their positions. They're losing positions at the end of the year and sell against their long positions. So we could see some volatility in the next few days. But it's kind of a wacky time of the year and as far as stocks goes. Hope you guys did well last week. You take care, and we'll talk to you tomorrow night.